Hey people, since it's always like my mission to speak about these different shows, series, books, movies, everything. In Korean drama, there is this reality TV called Change Days, which is about swapping, partner swapping. But no, not partner swapping in a bad way. It's about the fact that these four couples, yeah, four or six I think, they come onto the show because it's it's a lot like this American series that was about marry or move on, like in terms of they have to test whether they really want to be with their partner or whether they have a connection with someone else on the show. So it's called Change Days, and you can find it on Netflix, and it's a Korean series, and it's only a 3 episode part. So I like these short, seemingly short, but each episode is 1 hour long. But all Korean dramas and series and all are so well made. So Change Days it's called, and you can find it on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.